regarding total quality management. It is the concept related to the human resource management. First of all, we will know regarding the TQ, total quality management. Total quality is defined as a people focused management system that aims at continual increase in the customer satisfaction at continuously lower cost. TQM is doing the right thing right the first time, all the time, always striving for improvement and always satisfying the customer. TQM is a continuous process improvement of an individual, group of people and total organization. TQM is about changing the way things are done within the transaction lifetime. People must know what to do, how to do. TQM is a management approach focusing on the improvement of quality and performance in all functions, departments and process across the company to provide quality service which exceeds customer expectations. TQM companies increased customer satisfaction, reduce cost and transfer teamwork. Companies can also gain higher return on sales and investment. Total quality means better access to global markets, greater customer loyalty, wider recognition as quality brand. Overall, TQM will make an employees are trained in professional manager and encouraged to make decision on their own to improve the overall quality and attain higher standards. And what are the principles, core concepts of TQ? Principles, core concepts of total quality management is delight the customer. In core concepts of TQM is to make customer satisfaction, internal customers are real. Related to the principle management by fact, core concept of TQM is all work in process, it has to be measurement. And principle people based management, to core concept is it has a teamwork and people make quality. Principle is continuous improvement, core concept of TQM is continuous improvement cycle, it has a prevention. These are all the principles and core concepts of TQM. In the principles, the core concepts will be like this. And we will have an clear cut explanation regarding the principles of TQM and the core concepts of improvement. In the principles of TQM, delight the customer. Delight the customer means it focus is on the external customer, delight being our best at what really important to the customer, making the continuous case to satisfy the customer in integral part of total quality. And management by fact, the management should know the quality of the product or service that the customer is presently using. The quality level is used as each mark to improve its future. People based management, the management should make the employees understand what to do, how to do it, get the feedback about their performance. The quality is heavily influenced by the continuous element of people rather than by the system and standard and technology. And continuous improvement, in the continuous improvement, it is the management and long term process. It is not a short term program based on the goals and targets or a project. TQM is a continuous improvement based on the internal change. And core concepts for the improvement: delight the customer. Has core concept of improvement is the customer satisfaction. Internal customer is real. In that, companies should understand the importance of the external customer, as the external customer is the main source of income. Companies should enhance the satisfying factor and reduce the factors that cause grief of the product. And internal customer is real. In this situation, internal customer are as the important as an external customers. Are they continuously influence the quality maintained. They also influence speed, efficiency, performance and cost. All work is process. And coming to the management by fact, in that all work in process. Business process is a combination of members, materials, manpower and missions that take together product or service. Measurement, in the measurement of present level of quality is more important in order to determine the future quality level. Internal quality measurements of the products like reject level, process in control and branch of promise and performance of the standards, accidents, these are all will be having the measurement of a product. And then people based management, here the teamwork and people make quality. In this teamwork, people work together in teams to accomplish the most difficult goals. Teamwork enables the people to work from across the functional approach. And then people make quality. Most organizational efforts influence the get quality. Organizational efforts are influencing the individual and teams in the organization to commit the quality to provide. And continuous improvement. In the continuous improvement cycle and prevention. In the continuous improvement cycle, identify the present level of quality standard, establishing the customer's needs, establishing the ways and means to produce the product, and render service to meet the customer needs, measuring the success and improve the quality continuously are the parts of continuous improvement life cycle. Coming to the prevention, preventing the failures of occurring in the central system of total quality management. Foreseeing the possible failures and take steps in avoidance to prevent them from occurrence. Feeding for information forward to help prevent the failures. These are all the core concepts of improvement. And other principles are customer centric approach. Actually, customers are the ultimate judges to determine where the products and services are superior quality or not. There is no matter how many resources are pooled in training employees, upgrading machines and computers, incorporating quality designs and process and standards, bringing new technology, etc. Companies must remember to implement total quality management across all fronts, keeping in mind the customers. Ultimately, we have to be keep in mind to the customers' needs. According to that, we have to make the products. Employee involvement. Ensuring total employee involvement in achieving goals and business objectives will lead to the employee empowerment and active participation from the employees in decision making and addressing quality related problems. Employee empowerment and involvement can be increased by making the workspace more open and avoidant of fear. And another principle is continuous improvement. A major component of TQM is continuous improvement. It will lead to improved and higher quality process. It will ensure companies will find new ways and techniques in producing better quality products and using of the better technology in production, be more competitive as well as exceed customers' expectations. And another one is strategic approach to implement. Business must adopt a strategic approach towards quality improvement to achieve their goals, vision, and mission. A strategic plan is very necessary to ensure quality become the core aspect of all business process. And coming to the integrated system. Business comprises of various departments with different functional processes. These functional facilities are interconnected with various horizontal processes. TQM focus on everyone in the company should have a thorough understanding of the quality policies, standards, objectives, and important process. It is very important to promote a quality work culture. It will help to achieve the excellence and surpass customer expectations. And coming to the decision making, for efficient total quality management, company must collect and analyze data to improve quality, decision making accuracy, and forecasts. The decision making must be statistically and situationally based on their on order to avoid any room for emotional based decisions. It cannot be take an emotional decisions. And communication. Actually, in the organization, communication plays a crucial role. The same way, communication plays a crucial role in total quality management also. It helps to motivate employees and improve their morale during routine daily operations. Employees need to be involved as much as possible in their day-to-day operations and decision making process to really give them a sense of empowerment. When they are gaining the sense of empowerment, this creates the environment of success and unity and helps to drive results. The TQ process can be achieved. And human resource management and total quality management. Human resource plays a vital role in total quality management. The following forces shape the human resource management towards TQM, like economic liberalization announced by governors of India in 1991, mounting competition among the industries across the global, successful organization proactively and systematically understand and respond to current and future external customer needs. The information technology revolution is reshaping the core competencies needed in a knowledge economy. Organization and human resource leaders are being challenged to become effective strategic partners in the creation of world-class work culture. Then TQM HR managers actively involved in following activities. Those are utilizing the expressive of practitioners from other organizations, reviewing current practices, behaviors, attitudes in the organization, and assessing their degree of fit with total quality management, developing a total quality management directory of internal resources and expertise, designing and delivering senior management development course that set the proper tone for total quality management, shaping the type of organization structure, culture, ethical climate appropriate for introducing sustaining total quality management. And then what are the impact of total quality management on human resource management? Total quality management will show some impact on human resource management in different ways. The situations are total quality management and HR practice. An organization is running successfully with a high quality of HR practice. There is a TQ. But TQ is not HRM. In simply, TQ is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. Then the organizational commitment and job involvement of employees are also increased. So when the HRM practice in its maximum level, it is called TQ. And then another situation, TQ and job analysis. Using of total quality management technique on job analysis such as job design, job enrichment, job enlargement, etc. to produce job specification and job description of the company gains immense benefit in terms of quality. It results when compared to an organization which does not practice total quality management in job analysis. By using total quality management in job analysis, efficiency and effectiveness and productivity of employees will increases. It also causes cost minimization, increased health and safety level of employees, and it will also causes of lower productivity, employee turnover, absenteeism, and complaints, unorganizing and resigning. These are all will leads. These are all causes when the TQM is not practicing in the job design and job analysis. TQM and teamwork is another situation. Teamwork facilitates job satisfaction and job involvement, and total quality management encourages job satisfaction and job involvement. The development of people and their involvement in improvement of activities, both individual and through teamwork, is a key feature of company approach to the TQ. And another situation is total quality management and training and development. There should be an effective training and development procedure in an organization. If there is an effective training and development program, the output of employees will be a quality one. First, organizations are identify the training needs of the employees by performance appraisal. The training will be having for limit number of people in organization. Training will be develop the technical skills of low level employees. Development procedure will helpful to develop managerial skills and executive level. And another situation is total quality HR policy. Total quality HR policy must be dedicated at all levels of its operations to provide quality services that meets the initial and ongoing needs and expectations of the employees and customers through continuous improvement of all operations, ensuring continuous success of an organization. These are all an important impact of total quality management on human resource management in different situations. Total quality management and HR practice, total quality management and job analysis, total quality management and teamwork, total quality management and training and development, total quality and HR policy. And we will have an example, that is the Nestle HR policy includes the following, which depicts the emphasis of quality. What they are emphasizes regarding the quality Nestle company in the HR policy. The HR policy includes primary responsibility of the HR manager and their staff is to contribute actively to the quality of HR management throughout the organization by proposing adequate policies, ensuring the consistent application and coherent implementation with fairness. Each new member joining Nestle is to become a participant in developing a sustainable quality culture, which implies a commitment to the organization, a sense of continuous improvement and levels, no place for complacency. Encourage the personnel to renew the work community and to constantly improve the quality of operation. And quality people make quality organizations, and that's why our business is based on the expert and motivated personnel they are announced. This is the HR policy related to the Nestle company. They are emphasizing the quality. This is the information regarding the total quality management. Thank you.